Good morning, Room 7. It's wonderful to see you today on this Merry Monday. Let's get our magic fingers ready and start our message. You guys ready? We're going to start with a k sound and say kippity, coppity, kun. Let's read message number 1. I wonder what this says. You guys recognize the book, and this says book time. Today for book time, you guys are going to read A Piggy and Elephant Story with Mr. Dela Cruz. And because it's Monday, we will also have a story small group with Miss Heinrich at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, your Zoom information has been sent to your families. If you want to come read and ask questions about a story with Miss Heinrich at 1 o'clock, log on in and we'll be ready to rock. Let's move on to our second message, and we're going to use the g sound. Are you guys ready? We say gippity, goppity, goo. Let's read message number 2. Oh, you guys know what that says, don't you? That's right. Today, we're going to move our bodies to yoga. When you're doing the yoga today, I want you to pay special attention to the story the instructor is telling as you do your movements. Right now, we don't have a lot of choices, and there are a lot of things that we cannot do, and that can be really frustrating. Today's yoga story moves our bodies, but it also teaches an idea about how to deal with our frustration when you feel upset and angry because of the things that you want that you can't do, or the things that you're trying to do that aren't working. This story can help you with your frustration. Let's move on to our third message and the sound t, t. Are you ready? We're going to say tippity, toppity, tea. Let's read message number 3. I see a picture and a word, a picture and a word. What's happening right here? It looks like they're kicking a ball. This word says kick. What about this picture? Have you ever seen anything like those before? You might have seen some on one of our playgrounds on Playground 2. You might have seen them if you ever went to an alley to play games with your family. These are bowling pins. This word says bowling. Today, I want you to try some kick bowling. You probably don't have pins like this at home. I know I don't. But there's a game you can play where you take empty plastic bottles or empty cans or empty boxes like cereal boxes, or really anything that's lightweight and will stand up. But nothing delicate because we don't want to break it. Things that it's okay to knock over. But we find things that are light that we can sit up and knock over, and anything that you can use as a ball. And you kick it and see how many things can you knock over with your ball. If you don't have a ball at home, you can still make one. What I did was I took an old shirt and I wound it up into a circle, and then I wrapped it up with cellophane or with tin foil, and then I could safely kick it. So there are lots of ways to try this at home. Let's go ahead and move on to our fourth and final message. And we're going to use the sound B. Who's ready? Bippity, boppity, bore. Let's read message number 4. Oh, it's Monday, so you know we're asking a question. You can see the question mark right there. But what do you see on that picture? Animals. I see a lion and a rhinoceros. It's not a very good rhinoceros, but it's okay. A turtle and a fish and some words up here. These words say field trip. Now, we don't get to go with our bodies on a bus to a field trip right now because it's not safe for everybody to be together. But we can use our technology to go anywhere in the world and see things there. So our choices for our weekly field trip are going to be the San Diego Zoo. We go all the way to California for this field trip. Or the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Both of those are so far away, we could never get there on a bus during a school day. However, we can use our minds and our technology to take us there during our quarantine. So you be thinking, do you want to go to the zoo or the aquarium? And let us know. You can send me a remind message or tell me about it when we Zoom together. And we will keep a track and figure out where are we going to go for our very first virtual field trip that you would be able to do on your Zoom. We'll see you guys later today. Bye.